public, publish, and voila. Alright, so let's add it here. Go ahead and copy this and put that here. Submit. Paste. Submit. Alright. What are we going to work on now? Components. Alright. Let's just see what we're going to do. Alright, what we're going to work on today is just putting in some components. So you go to your architecture tab, go to component, place a component, and again you have your basic components that are already in your Revit project. I've got a desk, parking space, several trees, support, some terminations, some window exteriors, window interior. Let's just go ahead and place a desk. Okay, so all you're doing is placing desks. This is if you want, you've got your offices, you've got your reception area, desk, things like that. And so we've placed a few desks. Let's check them out in 3D. That is what they look like. You can see the cabinets in there, the drawers. They look really good. Now we can move them around here if we wanted to, if we wanted to actually have a little more space. Set them up against the wall. Okay, there we go. Or you can use the arrow keys. And that just gives you a little bit less freedom with it, but a little bit more detailed. Say you want to move it just a hair, use your arrow keys. If you want to move it across your drawing, just like that, it'll give you dimensions to the walls that it's near, and you can go from there. Now I want to add, I'm still in my 3D view, and I want to add some trees. Okay? You click on the tree that you want, and you'll add them. Now because I'm in a realistic view, it gives me a good idea of what the tree looks like. That's a deciduous grape birch. Let's put a couple oaks just for the fun of it. There's an oak there. Massive trees. This also, you got to think of shading. When you're putting in trees to show to a client, you got to think, if you're putting a tree in front of a window, you're not going to have as much light. So maybe you either want more windows or you just move the tree. Alright, well there's a few components. Let's see what other components we have. Okay, let's say we got parking spaces. Now, loaded, there are 4 different types of parking spaces, and these are all the same size, just different degrees as far as how you would park. So if you want a 90 degree parking space, that shows up either 90 degrees, 180 degrees, things like that. Of course, you use your space bar to rotate them. This will give you parking spaces. Okay, let's look at a 60 degree parking space. So you've all seen these before, maybe in the mall parking lot or things like that. And there's your parking spaces. You can see they're on the same height as my bottom of my first floor, which is good. And there you are. There's a few components to place.